G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. Now that it's summertime once again, it's time for us to dust off the old kayak and go for a paddle. So today we're down here at Tingalpa Creek and the Tingalpa Creek Reserve. What we're going to do today is take a look at the various different launch points that are available down here in the creek, and also take a look at other activities that you can get up to while you're down here in the area. So let's go take a look. The Tingalpa Creek Reserve is part of a conservation corridor of bushland protecting native plants and wildlife along Tingalpa Creek. The reserve's walking tracks allow you to explore different types of vegetation, heathland, open eucalypt forest and mangroves. There are a few different options that you actually have for launch points available into Tingalpa Creek here. You've got the entry that we're at here, which is at Chadwell Street. You've also got the Redland Canoe Boat Club boat ramp, which is down closer to the mouth of Tingalpa Creek, and you can also launch right up near Capalaba Park Shopping Centre. There's different paddles that are available. If you wanted to do the full paddle of Tingalpa Creek, the recommendation here is to go all the way down near the Redlands Canoe Club. Tingalpa Creek here is tidal, so the best option if you wanted to enjoy the paddle all the way up to Tingalpa Reservoir from the mouth is to do the paddle with the upcoming tide and the outgoing tide coming back down Tingalpa Creek. The paddle itself from the mouth of the river all the way up to the top of Tingalpa Creek, it's a fairly long paddle, but it's a really enjoyable one. You go through lots of different scenery, you've got different parklands, you've got the golf club, but it's a beautiful area. The creek walk here at Tingalpa Creek on Chadwell Road is actually a really nice area. You've got a covered area here with tables, and you've also got some barbecue areas here behind me as well. You've got a nice sealed path here which goes up further towards Tingalpa Reservoir. It's about a 1.3 kilometre walk, so it's a fairly reasonable walk. There's taps here as well. This area is also dog friendly, so it's fine to bring your dog down here. One thing I will say though is there are a few mozzies about, so make sure you pack some bug spray. The area here at Chadwell Street also has this really great little section for fishing as well. It's right on the bend of the creek, so you get a great view of the place, and it's really nice to just come here and just hang out. I'm sure if you wanted to just come here and enjoy the walk, it'd be a nice little stop along the way. It's a great little area here. It's really well set up actually. Some nice little trails around here to check out, so pretty nice little area in general really. The area here is really well signposted. There's plenty of signage to let you know where you are and where all of the trails go, so that's really handy. It's actually quite a handy little area. I've been here on the weekends quite a few times, and there's not generally that many people here, so it's not really very well known, which is a great thing. I think it's probably just a place that all of the locals tend to come to, so great place to come and check out. So as you can see here with the entry point on Chadwell Street for the boat ramp here, it's a concrete only boat ramp. So it does tend to get a bit muddy here. It's probably best accessible with the tide on the way up or 3/4 of the way up. The best of the options for my liking is at the Redlands Canoe Club near Thornside train station. It's the easiest boat ramp to get to, and you can access it no matter what the tide. All right, well that's it from us down here at Tingalpa Creek and the surrounding reserve area. I hope it's given you a couple of different options for launch points if you wanted to explore the area here. And also I hope it's given you something to think about in terms of other things that you can actually do. The Chadwell Street entry here is fantastic. There's a great little area here and there's some great walks here as well. So it's not just a place where you can come for a kayak. All right, well, don't forget once again to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share the channel. I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.